Hello student, today my topic is applications of colloids. Colloids play a very important role in nature, in our daily life and in industry. Some of the application that is uses of colloids are, first is foodstuff and medicines. Many of our foodstuffs are colloidal in nature. Milk, butter, whipped cream, fruit jellies, ice cream, bread and are colloidal in nature. For example, milk is an emulsion of butter fat in water. Stabilizes the milk protein, that is casein. Milk protein is what? Casein. Ice cream is the dispersion of the colloidal ice particle in cream. Similarly, bread consists of a air dispersed in baked dough. Colloidal medicine are more effective and easily absorbed by the body system. Therefore, a large number of pharmaceutical preparation are emulsion. That is halibut liver oil, which is consist of vitamin A and D. Cod liver oil, that is fish liver oil. Skin ointment are emulsions. Antibiotic such as penicillin, streptomycin are usually injected in the body in colloids form. Several metal salts are also used as a medicines. Now next use of colloids are purification of water. In water work, water is usually purified by addition of certain electrolytes such as potash alum, that is Fitcari, aluminum sulfate. This involves a phenomena of coagulation. The impure water usually contain dispersed colloidal particle which cannot be removed by filtration. When potash alum is added to the impure water, the negatively charged colloidal particle or impurities get coagulated by the action of aluminum ions furnished by the alum and can be removed by the filtration or decantation. Decantation means just wait for the impurity to settle down at the bottom. Now sewage disposal. Sewage disposal contain particle to the dirt, mud, etc., which is colloidal in nature and carry some electrical charge. These particles may be removed by using a phenomena of electrophoresis. The sewage, that is positive ion goes to negative and negative ion goes to positive. The sewage water is passes through the tunnel fitted with the metallic electrode and maintained at the high potential difference. The colloidal particle present in the sewage water migrate to the oppositely charged electrode and get coagulated. This solves the problem of sewage disposal. Moreover, the rubbish matter obtained on account of the coagulation of colloidal dust particle may be used as a manure. Next is smoke precipitation. This is very important. Mostly it is asked in every year in the board examination. This is the apparatus where we just purify the impure air into the pure one. So this is the dust free gases just release out in the from the chimney. This is the smoke, that is polluted air. We just introduce inside this apparatus. It is the apparatus is in the high voltage wire and the precipitator of carbon and dust particle reside at the bottom and the pure air get outside. So the smoke is colloidal system and consists of electrically charged colloidal particle of a carbon dispersed in air. As smoke is a big source of pollution, it is always desirable to precipitate it, that is to remove colloidal carbon particle present in it. The removal of colloidal carbon particle from the smoke can be effected by using the phenomena of electrophoresis. This is achieved in an apparatus called Cottrell precipitator. Smoke is allowed to pass through a chamber having a number of metal plates attached to the metal wire connected to a source of high potential. The electrically charged colloidal particle of a carbon and the dust get discharged when come in the contact with the opposite charged plates and fall down to the bottom. The clean hot air leaves the precipitator from the exit near the top. Now next is artificial rain, that is the use of colloids. Clouds are colloidal system and consist of water vapor mixed with the dust particle. The water molecule present in the cloud develops some electrical charge. As you have studied in lower classes, the cloud have electrical charge. Therefore, cloud can be made to rain by neutralizing the charge present on the colloidal particle, that is water molecule. This type of rain is called artificial rain and may be carried out by spraying a positively charged colloidal dust or the sand particle over a cloud. This neutralizes the charge on the water molecules and compels them to get the coagulated, that is to rain. Next is rubber industry. Lattice, that is outer layer of the bark of the tree, lattice obtained from the rubber tree. It is just present at the outer part of the rubber tree, is an emulsion consisting of a dispersion of a negative charged rubber particle in a water. In order to obtain rubber from the lattice, the later boiled when the rubber particle get coagulated. The coagulated mass is vulcanized and sold as a natural rubber. Rubber plates articles can be prepared directly from the lattice by electrically depositing the negative charged rubber particle over the article of the rubber plates by the making the article an anode in an rubber plating bath. Next is leather tanning. During the tanning of the leather, that is purification of the leather, the positively charged colloidal particle of a raw skin and hides are coagulated by the negatively charged tanning material. The coagulation of the negatively charged tanning material take part in the pores of the hides and the later get hardened. Next is cleansing action of soap. Soap solution of a colloidal in nature and remove dirt and oiliness from the clothes by forming water soluble emulsion. Next is smoke screen. The chemical warfare smoke screen are generally used to hide the movement of troops. Smoke screen are the colloidal dispersion of a very fine particle of titanium oxide in air. We just release titanium oxide in air for the smoke screen. Next is preparation of nanomaterial. Nanomaterial which are used as catalysts are prepared by using colloids. Building roads. Nowadays roads are built by the asphalt emulsified in water. This technique does not require the necessity of melting of asphalt. Now next is metallurgical operation. Several metal ores are concentrated, that is purified by froth flotation process. This process involves the treatment of the pulverized ore in the emulsion of pine oil. So my question is for today, what is application of colloids? Thank you.